Good day, everyone. Welcome to the YouTube lecture channel. YouTube algorithm shows the title tag and keywords that you have included in your video. Based on this, your video will reach potential viewers. So, keyword research is a very important topic for all YouTubers. If you want your video to reach more people, keyword research will definitely be useful. In today's video, we are going to look at the most commonly used keyword research tools for YouTubers. If you are a beginner in YouTube, this video will definitely give you an idea on how to select keywords. Let's take a look at this in detail. As I said earlier, if the search volume for the keywords you have placed is high, then the audience will definitely come looking for your video. Likewise, YouTube algorithm will show your video to the right audience. I have given the most commonly used 5 tools here. My 2 favorite tools are vidIQ and Keyword Everywhere. With these 2 Chrome extensions, you can do complete keyword research for your videos. Additionally, you can use YouTube's autocomplete feature. Likewise, you can use rapid tags to do keyword research. vidIQ and Keyword Everywhere will work only in Chrome. Open your Chrome browser and search for Keyword Everywhere Chrome extension. You will get the link for that extension. Click Add to Chrome, and it will be integrated with your browser. Just sign up with your email address, and it will start working perfectly. Likewise, vidIQ and Keyword Everywhere. Keyword Everywhere will work in Chrome, Firefox and Edge. Let me type digital marketing in English. You can see the results. Search insights will be shown on the right side. Search volume, top channel, maximum views, average age. All these will be given to you. You can use all these for an analysis purpose. Likewise, if you have done vidIQ, you will get complete details. I am searching for digital marketing in English. Highest view, average view. Top creators, search volume. Related keywords will be shown. Now, I am going to search for digital marketing in English at soovle.com. Like digital marketing in English, what is digital marketing in English? Learn digital marketing in English. Keyword suggestions will be given. If you are searching for the main keyword for your video in Google, you can find out the related opportunities for it. You can copy this keyword and use it in your keyword tag. Copy this keyword and place it in your notepad. Likewise, go to Rapid Tags. Type your keyword here. Related tags will be generated. Keywords will be generated based on the minimum number of views. Search digital marketing. Digital marketing courses. Learn digital marketing. All these tags will be generated here. You can use these tags for your videos. You can place it in YouTube tag. We are going to see that in the next video. Now you have understood how to extract keywords for your competitors' videos. In the next video, we are going to see how to implement these keywords. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. I will definitely give you a solution for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe. Then all my videos will reach you soon. Thank you for watching and have a good day.